Cryptocurrency markets can be extremely volatile, as we've seen over the last couple of months. So, a lot of investors are shifting how they invest in crypto and are now utilizing products called ETPs. It stands for Exchange Traded Product, and it's similar to an ETF, but there are some key differences. One thing I think is a really big pro when it comes to these ETPs is you're able to invest in them from your normal brokerage account. You no longer have to have a separate account for your stocks and your ETFs and your crypto. You can simply put them all in the same place. Now, in this video, we're going to be breaking down one ETP in particular that tracks Dogecoin. This is something that started out as a meme, but now has some real world use cases that are still being developed. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Let's get into it. They raised $25,000 and sent the Jamaican team to the Winter Olympics in 2014. It was over 26 million in Dogecoin. And this shows you the dedication of the Dogecoin community. And while there's a lot of instances of Dogecoin being used for good, I think this is a really important one that also shows how dedicated people are to Dogecoin. And speaking of Dogecoin, I want to thank the sponsors of this video, House of Doge and 21 Shares. They've been really helpful in explaining these ETPs to me and how investors can utilize them to get exposure to crypto assets. So thank you guys so much. Let's check out more about Dogecoin. So what is a Dogecoin? Doge itself is a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency that was created in 2013. It was derived, the tech was derived from Litecoin, and it was originally launched as a meme, but it has evolved quite substantially since then. It's now a functional digital currency known for its low price and unlimited supply. Two important factors, I will say. Doge is also widely used online for tipping and transactions and is supported by an active community. Now, something that's interesting as well is due to this community is big when it comes to cryptocurrency, and House of Doge is actually creating an app for Dogecoin. The app is going to aim to make it easier for people to use Dogecoin, and it's going to enable businesses, it's aiming to enable businesses to sell products or services using Dogecoin as a payment method. Now, the goal with this is to increase utility and accessibility as they work towards bringing Dogecoin into a more everyday commerce. There are some really impressive things that I want to discuss about Dogecoin. Most of it relates to the community. But starting off, I want to talk about Bitcoin overall. Crypto overall, I should say, has pulled back. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. All of these have seen a pretty fierce pullback, and we're used to that in terms of volatility when it comes to cryptocurrencies. But Dogecoin's community stands out. This market cap for this coin is $16 billion. There is a massive community behind Dogecoin. Even with price volatility, the community stands firm with what they believe Dogecoin's capabilities are. And I think that's very, very important because, again, out of all the cryptocurrencies, the market cap ranking is number 10. It's the 10th largest coin, which is really impressive for something that started out as a meme. Remind you, it started out as a joke and now actually has use cases and a really solid community standing behind it. Now, if you're looking to learn more about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, I recommend checking out House of Doge and 21 Shares. They have a bunch of different crypto ETPs on different assets. You can check them out and let me know what you think. And if you want more info on House of Doge and everything they're doing for Dogecoin and the community, I'll link everything down below in the description. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out these videos that are popping up on your screen right now.